Bond Falls are located a few miles east of Paulding in southern Ontoganon County, Michigan. The state park scenic site is near U.S. Highway 45 in the western Upper Peninsula. The falls are created from the middle branch of the Ontoganon River. This is Bond Falls. Well, it looks like we're the only ones here today, probably because it's cloudy and cold. Been raining on and off today. This is really nice. It had a boardwalk to get down here. It has benches so you can sit and rest if you need to.
Yeah, it does.
Free parking.
Yeah.
Closed handicap parking.
Yeah. Showing the little boardwalk.
So this is the boardwalk. Goes all the way to each side of the falls and down to the falls. And then it even has stairways so you can go down closer if you want. Pretty cool.
That's the entrance.
That's the entrance coming in. It was a short walk.
Somebody down there in a wheelchair. They're rolling towards us. They're zipping.
Go for a walk around here. It's beautiful. The colors are starting to change. Probably all this rain and cold. But yeah, so there's a boardwalk that goes all the way around the sides. Not in the back, I don't think. It's pretty cool.
No, but at the end down there, you can walk up the river a little bit.
Yeah, last time we were here, we were able to go up into the woods, and there's like the roots from the trees have created steps and stuff. It's really cool. So if you get a chance to see these, you can go off and climb through the trees and stuff. It's pretty cool. Here's the full picture of the falls. It's quite beautiful. Massive. So we're coming around the other side. See, there's nice little benches you can sit. Guardrail. And come down the steps to the beach area. On the other side. This without falling in. Let's see. There we go. Alright, it's pretty cool. If you get a chance and you're up here, it's beautiful. This is my husband trying to climb on the rocks. Being crazy with his cane. Oh boy. Alright, glad he didn't fall in. Ta-da! There he is. All right. Thanks for watching. See you on our next adventure.